Alright, so this is the USB-C hub. Alright, unbox this thing, the B3. Comes with a manual, Amazon gift card. Oh, that's cool. $15, that's really cool. If I do a picture and give a good review, and then I email them to give me a gift card. That's pretty cool. So just this. And this. I guess I'll plug it in and give it a try. Hope it doesn't die. Oh, it has like a, what's it called? HDMI. And it has card readers. Another plug. This thing plugs right here. Two plugs right here. You can see it. Uh-oh. Oh man, I'm gonna scratch. There we are. Alright, so we're gonna try to plug it in and see if this thing works. And it works, it didn't blow up. So it's right there in the corner, you can see it. And my files are in there. So yeah, it works, this thing. Thanks for watching.